Sahi khuding Tamenglong District Manipurda pairakpa uchek Amul Falcon akhoi pina haina su khangnaba uchek asi ngak senbagi khungjang changshinba oina awareness kaya chathari marak asida kumsi su Wildlife Institute of India WII Dehradun gi scientist Dr. Suresh Kumar gi lamjing makhada Tamenglong Forest Division Rainforest Club Tamenglong amadi local volunteer singna punduna satellite transmitter tech tauba Amul Falcon ani yauna taramathoi tang nipan November 2024 Chilon roasting site ta release taukhre madugi resource program adu Ministry of Environment Forest and Climate Change Government of India gi makhada chathakibani kumsi satellite transmitter tech taukiba usek ani adu Amul Falcon gi roasting site oiriba khungi ming lauduna Chilon 2 amadi Gongram haina mingthon biki madu Anurag Bajpai Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Chief Wildlife Warden Manipur gi ayaba gi makhada thonkibani Numit aduda ringshon nai amadi laisana thonba Amul Falcon ani dasu pfa.manipur@gmail.com haina iba ring haptuna paihankhi aduga Amul Falcon atai taret yauna punna taramathoida BNHS ring number C58352 dagi C58362 haptuna release tauki Amul Falcon Taramathoi release taukiba adu Divisional Forest Officer Tamenglong KH Hitler Singh Dr. Suresh Kumar Joel Gangmei RFO Tamenglong Chilon Village Authority Chairman amadi members Rainforest Club Tamenglong gi members sing aduga Tamenglong Forest Division gi staff sing yauki Ningsingba yai satkiba 2018 da Tamenglong amadi Manipur thonba Amul Falcon ani satellite tech tawduna thadoki aduga 2019 dana Irang Barak Chilon Puching Falong haina satellite tech tawba Amul Falcon manga amuk thadokibani Hangjin bayai lakado riba 21st November 2024 da Mapan Suba Amul Falcon Festival Tamenglong Forest Division Government of Manipur na sinduna Apollo Ground Tamenglong District Headquarters da pangthokadauri Numit asida numidangi Rhythm of Migration kauba musical extravaganza su legadori Tatkiba November 5, 2024 da Rongmei Naga Council Manipur RNCM, Lengmei Naga Council Manipur LNCM, Zemei Naga Council Manipur ZNCM, Village Authority Chairman Council VACC, Chairman and Secretary Association Tamenglong, amadi Jailat Wildlife Sanctuary Affected Villages Singna Punna Semba Joint Coordinating Committee na organize Tauduna Battle Hall Tamenglong Headquarters da 1 day special awareness meeting Wildlife Sanctuary Reserve Forest amadi Protected Forest ki matangda chathaki Awareness program aduda khungi leaders singna wildlife sanctuary notification pitokhiba sing adu makhoigi ayaba laukhide haina phongdongnakhi resource person singna United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People UNDRIP gi matung ina Indigenous amadi tribal singi lamda development project paikhatringai mamangda free prior and informed consent FPIC asi laugadobani haina takpikhi masigi process asi chumna chatrabadi indigenous people rights pu namthak tobani haina loba yai haiki awareness meeting aduda wildlife sanctuary reserve forest protected forest Tamenglongda lauthoknaba sinliba singbu yaningdaba phongdoktuna joint declaration tauki joint declaration aduda demand manga thamki madudi Tamenglong district manungda wildlife sanctuary reserve forest protected forest ki proposal sing withdraw tobiu seismic survey and resource exploitation tauba yaroi indigenous mi singi ayaba yauduna foresta restriction measure paikhatpa yaroi Tamenglonggi land and resource matangda policy semba matamda sokliba indigenous gi misingi ayaba hana launabasu declaration aduda yauki Nipan Suba Manipur Baptist Convention MBC gi Youth Triennial Conference 2024 Building the Future haibagi thimda Rongmei Baptist Churches Council RBCC na host toduna Natural Football Ground Tamenglongda ngasi 15 November 2024 da chathaba hokre 18 November 2024 ꯐꯥꯎ ꯆꯠꯊꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ MBC Youth Triennial Conference asida Reverend Boypu Sarto, Mission Secretary CVCNEI, Reverend Dr. Mathodmi Vaisha, President MBC ESTBCA amasung Reverend Raimi Remai, Youth and Education Secretary MBC makoina speaker oibigani. Conference asida MBC gi makhada laiba association kun mangana saruk yaki pudna mapandagi delegates 700 henna Tamenglongda yaurakre. Adubu Manipur gi irang na maram oiduna association mangadi yauba ngamkhidre.